Hi, I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Danielle.
We're the mother-daughter owners of Godiva's Secret Wigs.
So in this video, we're talking all about our mini wash kit. So a lot of you, when you get your wig or your hairpiece, you always ask, what else do I need to take care of this and keep it looking and feeling good?
Great question.
So we've created a few different kits for you. And today, like I said, we're talking about the mini wash kit. We do also have a regular size wash kit as well. So the mini wash kit comes in this really cute, keep it together, small pouch.
Beautiful reinforced hot pink zipper.
Strong canvas. So inside you will find our 2-ounce Keep It Clean shampoo. This is how it's packaged when it comes to you.
Great.
You'll also find our Keep It Sleek conditioner. And yes, you do need conditioner on your Godiva Secret wigs and pieces to keep them feeling like hair.
They're great, and they have such a gentle scent. Mm-hmm. You'll love it. They're beautiful.
And you also get 2 ounces of our Keep It There low alcohol hairspray.
Yes.
So with synthetic wigs and pieces, it's very important not to use regular hairspray because it will dry out your wig or piece, and it also can leave like a residue. You don't like it.
Right, and Danielle,
yes.
For new wig wearers, you may not know this low alcohol is so healthy on our own hair. It's the only hairspray I use on my own hair to keep it from drying out. You don't want that nasty alcohol on your beautiful head of hair. So this just protects it a little bit better.
And you also get our wig hanger. Let me see if I have a wig so I can show you what this does.
I'll just smile and hold these.
Okay, I'm back. This is our sunset wig in Silverstone. So the wig hanger, so once you've washed and conditioned your wig and it's all wet, you're gonna attach the hanger to the back here and then hang it like in your shower outside and let it drip dry all by itself. And the style is gonna come right back.
Yes.
What else could you use it for?
Well, if you're out where there's a lot of smoke or a lot of cologne or a lot of nasty little scents, sometimes you want to air your wig out after you've worn it. Yes. Or if you wore it on your hair which was a little dirty or whatever, it's great to just air it out, hang it wherever you like. And it really, really helps instead of taking off a wig that has different scents in it and just folding it and putting it away.
True. And you also get a wire brush.
Oh my gosh.
This is a great brush for brushing out your wigs and pieces while you're wearing them and before you wash them. So these are all the mini sizes. So just so you know, we have other kits that have the full 8-ounce sizes as well. This is a great starter washing kit and for hair pieces as well.
So if you are brand new to wigs, like many of our clients are all over the world, these are the necessary items and the smallest kit of each of the items to get you going with the essentials, and then you can go from there.
Perfect. So you, like we said, we also get our Keep It Together small pouch. So you don't have to just keep these items in the pouch though. You can use it for other things like we do.
What do you put in yours, Danielle?
So I love these pouches, and you can buy the pouch by itself as well.
Great.
So for me, if I'm going like to the gym or going on a day trip and I have my Keep It Together tote or something like that, I don't always want to bring my purse also. So I use this to keep my like essential stuff in. So I will keep my phone in it, a little money.
Good idea.
I will keep my credit cards, my driver's license.
The necessary.
I will keep my car key with our Godiva Secret Wigs keychain, which is a freebie. You can get it for free with any order.
Great.
And I also keep my Godiva chapstick, which I don't know if you guys have tried this. It's a freebie as well. And it's actually like my favorite chapstick. It's strawberry and it moisturizes my lips so well. We've tried others, my husband also, and we always end up back to this one.
And it's the best, prettiest
and
color. It's our hot pink.
Yeah, so I keep, like I said, I keep those small things in my pouch. That's perfect instead of bringing my whole purse.
Look for the free gifts on our website.
Yeah. And what do you keep in your pouch?
Well, thanks for asking. My goodness, I use it for so many things, but for traveling, going back and forth between Utah and California, I keep my jewelry in here. Look, I can fit a whole size ring box in here. Amazing. My hair clips and ponytails are everywhere in my life, even in my bra.
I just found that out yesterday.
I get my necklaces in here,
My
and my bracelet, and of course my hot pink watch goes everywhere with
for
me.
a small pouch, you can fit a lot in there.
So fun. So I'm sure you can come up with ideas too.
Yes. And just to note, the wigs we are wearing, I am wearing Madison wig in maple sugar, and Rochelle is wearing our thin Candace wig in champagne. It is gorgeous. Also cute, even cut at different lengths.
Right. Right.
So this is everything that comes in our mini wash kit. And like we said, these are the mini sizes of the shampoo, conditioner, hairspray, and the other accessories, but we do sell the larger 8-ounce sizes in our other kits as well.
Yes, and check those out too.
Yes, so thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.